Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today I have a new video for you guys. I will be unboxing a new camera. It's a vlogger's camera. It's the Sony ZV-1. So I'll unbox it with you guys, then I'll do some testing of this will be my first time seeing the camera, so I will do some testing. So this is the camera, the Sony ZV-1, and this is the vlogging kit. It doesn't come with it. I bought this separately. So this is like a tripod. You can hold handheld one, and this is the camera, and I'll unbox it right now. So I'll be unboxing the camera. So this is the camera. It comes with this booklet. This is the limited warranty. This is the manual. This is the startup guide. And this is the camera. Actually comes with those dead cats. It helps with the sound if it's windy, and it comes with this charger. And also it comes with this battery. And this is the camera. The camera is so lightweight. It's so small, it can fit in your pocket. And it has these buttons, the on and off, the mode, and it has this dial here, and it has a screen that can be flip open, and when you're filming, you can be seeing the video. Vlogger kit for the camera. It doesn't come together. I bought it separately, and let's see. Why come in two boxes? And it also came with this SD card, and this is and it's Bluetooth. It has Bluetooth, so you can link it to the camera. And it comes with this black pouch. And this is so you can use it as handheld like this, or you can use it as a tripod and stand it. So I'm going to put everything together. I think the battery goes here. And the SD card, it's gonna be hard to bring it out. Let's see. You click the button to lock it. Let's see how you mount it. Oh, nice. You just have to figure this out. So for the setting, I don't think it's touch screen. English. Okay. Set the date thing. January. Okay, see. So we're in so March. Today is 16th, 2020. And it's so I bought additional batteries and charger because it comes with just one. So this has the three charger, and it comes with the wire, and these are the three batteries. And I bought this case. It's too compact, so hopefully it will fit in this case. Yeah. So I put the battery, extra SD card, and the three batteries. These are the batteries that I got. Actually, I have to take it out from the box. I don't know what this battery is for. Figure it out. So this is the dead cat. I think it's for the sound. So I guess the camera. So I guess everything fits in. Maybe I'll put the batteries here. Extra batteries. And it's portable. Look how small it can fit in your handbag. If you like this kind of video, please subscribe and like my videos. Thank you.
Close my eyes and drown out sound. It's my only solution.